Hewlett Packard Enterprise has been the leading technology provider to power the data center. We have been the one vendor in server shipments for close to 14 years. The reason for this, we feel, is that our innovation is driven by addressing what customers expect from us. So, are we innovating? Well, let's see. What do customers want today? There has been a significant change in the way customers consume IT. They prefer consuming everything as a service without actually owning all of it. XaaS, consuming everything from the cloud, is increasingly becoming the norm. Also, there's a shift towards pre integrated systems that can be created by putting parts together. Customers want to own without having to build systems from scratch. This leads to hyper-converged software-defined data centers, which offer tight integration of computing, storage, and networking, thus reducing total cost of ownership. Only HPE has a clear vision for infrastructure and a pathway from hyper-converged to composable and hybrid IT. We see the need for a new class of infrastructure. HP introduced converged infrastructure 6 years ago. It broke down silos of compute, storage, and networked traditional infrastructure to a shared structure. However, it was still static and lacked the flexibility to move at cloud speed. About 2 years ago, hyperconverged infrastructure emerged on the market, and while it simplified tasks and increased speed, it did this by removing capabilities like rich data services offered in an SAN. We see the need for a new infrastructure, one which is composable and fluid, and which can support all gaps without compromises or removing capabilities for both traditional IT and new apps. To sum up, traditional IT struggles with limited, divided resources that can't keep up with business demands. Today's economy calls for a simpler, faster virtualization solution. With HP hyperconverged solutions, we are able to deploy at cloud speed, using less resources, with fewer clicks, and in a lot less time. In a technology driven world, it takes more than just good ideas to be successful. Success today is defined by how quickly an enterprise can turn ideas into value, how quickly you can experiment, learn fast, test, tune, and make it better. At HPE, we are here to transform, enable, empower, and protect you to be successful in the idea economy. When organizations don't listen to their customers, they usually suffer. Remember Nortel and Nokia? From being global market leaders, these companies have drifted away into oblivion precisely because of this. At HPE, we value the voice of our customers above all, and that is why we continue to innovate and continue to lead.